Welcome to AP Workshops, welcome to another one of our time-lapse videos that we've been doing lately. So this was a Tuono V4 2016, we did valve clearance checks. So we just checked, no adjustments, just check, change the spark plugs, change the air filter. So it's basically from a built bike to the top end service section on it and built back up again. It was, like I said, no valve adjustments necessary. If you've got any questions about what we're doing, let us know. You can call us at the shop, you can get in touch with us, sales@apworkshops.co.uk. Send us an email, we'll get in touch with you as soon as we can. Enjoy the film. Welcome back to AP Workshops. I hope you enjoyed our time-lapse video. Like I said, it was a 2016 Tuono V4. We took the bike apart, did the top end part of the service on it and built it all back up again. That's normally going to take about 2 hours, give or take, as long as everything's okay. If you need to get in touch, you can get in touch with us, sales@apworkshops.co.uk. The website's up and working, the e-commerce thing is there. If you can't find something that you want, give us a quick shout, no problems, we'll see what we can do for you. Take care and we'll talk to you soon.